Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in stone grey with black leather interior. Seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-litre V6 engine. It's an Ecoboost, and it's also a 4x4. It has a trailer tow package, which includes skid plates and integrated trailer brake controller. It also has the Lariat chrome package, which means that your grille, bumpers, running board, and handles are all chrome. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. You also have memory for 3 drivers. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your electronic parking brake is located here. Power pedals, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, grab handles in the body to make it easier to get in, and your steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have your dash controls, cruise control, media control with volume, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, we simply put our foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and push the engine start button. On the dash, we're going to see any important messages as well as a menu that we can toggle through. So we're in My View, and then you go across to Trip Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, and Settings, and these all have sub-menus. Your automatic shifter also has drive mode on the end. When you press that, you'll see it appear: Normal, Tow Haul, Snow Wet, Eco, Sport, and then back around again. In the center, you're seeing a little bit of a bin up there with the B&O badging for your audio system. As well, you have traction control, hazard lights, auto stop start for less idle time. Your display screen there has navigation, and also when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. You also have your audio choices, and as you can see, it's a touch screen. I'm touching through for the different options. We're just going to reduce the volume there for you, and it's got AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, Bluetooth. As well, you've got your settings that you can slide through. There's your Bluetooth again, Wi-Fi hotspot, and you have Apple CarPlay preferences. And so when you plug in with an Apple phone and the Apple cord, you will see it appear just like on your Apple screen, and then you can choose different options through there. Volume and tuner, and there is your CD player. Dual climate control with both heated and cooled seats for driver and passenger. I don't know who put the heated seats on today. That was funny. Front and rear defrost, as well as your AC and max AC. And then down below is a couple of USB 12 volt and a little bin. Off to the side, 4x4 blocking differential, pro trailer backup, and integrated trailer brake controller. And in the center you have an armrest that has cup holders, and then you can open this up. There's more storage inside, and you can flip the seat right up. An extra seating position up here, unclip underneath. There's a couple of cup holders you can just flip right out, and there's more storage. And then off to the side you have a 12 volt and a 110 outlet, as well as a locking glove compartment. Auto dimming rear view mirror. There's your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder. This slides that power back window for you, and on a nice day like today, let's slide that power moonroof right open. 18-inch wheels, chrome magnetic cab step, chrome door handle with intelligent access and keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler. The chrome handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Your backup camera is just below that handle, and you have backup sensors on your bumper. You also have a 4- and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you want to open up that tailgate, you can double click your fob. It powers it down for you. Inside, it's got nice tie downs in all 4 corners. You also have box link, and there's a tailgate step to make it easier to get in. And on your fob, you have remote start. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and you're seeing that nice wood grain inlay. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. And then to bring it down, simply pull the clip, and down it goes. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's an armrest with a couple of cup holders in the center. Carpeted mats are on the floor. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. You're seeing a 12 volt as well as a couple of cup holders, and there's also a USB outlet off to the side. Up above, there's hooks and handles, as well as that panoramic view from the sunroof, moonroof. And on the body, you're seeing grab handles, making it easier to get in. In the back, there's access to a power sliding window. Chrome bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.